Hello friends, welcome back to Kala Poshana. In today's video, I made a simple wooden puja stand. You can make this cost-effective and reusable wooden puja stand with simple tips and easy design. Use this for any festive occasion or make these as gifts for your friends and family. They will cherish it forever. And it can be made in any size as required. Super easy, and you can make this puja stand in less than 30 minutes. It's that easy. And I named this design Muthyala Muggu. Now let's get started. For this design, you will need 5x7 wooden block and 1 wooden pallet, wood glue, E6000, brown spray paint, white acrylic paint pen and Mod Podge. Please check video description to get more details on the things I have used. These wood blocks are polished and ready to use. Here is a tip. First, measure the corners to place the pallet so that it's centered, and then attach the wood block. I am attaching the wood block using wood glue and E6000. I added this wooden pallet to the wooden block to give it a traditional puja stand or Peeta look. I let the glue dry overnight and then spray painted it with brown color. Once the paint is all dried, now it's time for our Muthyala Muggu design on the puja stand. Here is a tip. First, mark the dots on a piece of paper with half-inch distance or as per your need. Now, using this paper and white acrylic paint pen, I mark the dots on the stand so that they are equally placed and look symmetric. This way, we don't need to stress out of getting the dots right on the stand. Now, slowly I drew the lines between the dots and finished the muggu. This is one of my favorite muggu that I learned from my grandma. You can draw any kollam of your choice and make it. Once the paint is dried, I added one more coat of paint lines. Using the same piece of paper, I added dots to create the borders of the puja stand. end, I added a coat of Mod Podge to seal the acrylic paint and give it a shiny finished look. Here, our Muthyala Muggu wooden puja stand is ready in less than 30 minutes. I hope you like this DIY. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Here is a quick glimpse of what's coming up for the next DIY. Beautiful Meenakari design wood puja stand, the sunshine. Thank you very much for watching.